found this beautiful creek going up into the mountains here, and everything is just looks so cool right now. This is amazing. Oh, I love it. Well, here it is, September 1st. Monsoon season finally broke up. It's been raining non-stop, I feel like, this whole summer. But finally got a good break in the weather. So I ended up packing up my gear and decided to do a big hike today. So I'm not 100% sure where this trail goes, but this is all new. But I did start a late afternoon hike here and hoping to capture some good photographs up ahead. So anyways, I think we're in for quite the adventure today. Feels great to be out here. I had a feeling I was gonna be crossing over some high altitudes today, so I decided to only bring the Nikon Z6 with the 50 mil, try to keep the weight down. Brought the lightweight tripod, lightweight rain gear, lightweight food. Of course, the liquids can be only so lightweight. And you know what's crazy? When you're up at this altitude, it doesn't feel lightweight anymore. I think it's so cool when you come back into these remote areas, like these whole mountainsides are littered with these old mines everywhere. I just found a very old outhouse. It definitely hasn't been used in a long time. And I found this really cool cabin. And it's actually so cool, I want to do a quick picture on this one. So anyways, it's a good time to take a break. I've been hiking for a while. And man, I am just getting out of shape. This is not cool. I need to get out and start doing this more often. This is what married life does to you. Makes you out of shape. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and see if I can capture a cool picture of this really old cabin here. It looks pretty awesome. Okay, it took a couple minutes to figure out the right composition. Since I only have the 50mm, it kind of limits me on some of the shots, but just get a little more creative. Anyways, this is kind of what I settled on. We got the cabin. There's a little mountain in the background, but you can't quite see it in the light here. But I'm gonna get the shot in there. I think I'm gonna do a bracketed shot because of the shadows and everything here, but we'll go ahead and give this a try and hopefully it turns out. Yeah, that outhouse has seen better days. I don't know if you can see, but there's actual like bullet holes in the back there. Went down, this place is haunted at night. Definitely seems like that kind of place. You know, as much snow as this place gets, it is amazing that this cabin's actually still standing. Time to get back on the trail and just see if we can make it above tree line here. I only have about another hour before I have to turn around, start heading home. And it's getting shorter days and I don't want to get stuck out here in the dark. So anyways, I'm gonna keep trekking forward here. See what else I could find. I could definitely tell this is an old mining road, but it's been so many years since it's been used that, you know, they basically, it's been converted to a trail. Man, this place is just littered with these old cabins everywhere. And yeah, they're pretty cool. Check it out. So I just found this one. And this one's definitely not near as good shape. In fact, it looks pretty rough. So much snow over the years just collapsed the roof. But check out this. So I've got a beautiful creek down there. But this is really cool. Get over here. Check out this old fireplace stove they had. Wow. That is pretty cool. So in the museum here, they mentioned the average miner would only live to about 27, 28 years old. So that was definitely a no-brainer why there's so much drinking, shooting, and then hitting the brothels. Because, man, 28 years old, you know, when you're getting near your end of your life, I think a brothel would be a no-brainer. Sun's starting to break loose. The mosquitoes are just out of control in this place. Should have brought some better bug spray with me. Here I thought I prepared for everything too. It's looking like an awesome glow up ahead with the mountain and the evening sun. So need to get up here before it's too late. Found this beautiful creek going up into the mountains here, and everything is just looks so cool right now. This is amazing. Oh, I love it. But I'm gonna set up the tripod, try to capture a cool shot through here. Try to get the water where it's streaking, so that'll look a lot better. But oh my God, this is amazing. I'm loving this. I feel like I pulled off a couple really good photographs. I think I'm gonna shoot up the drone, do a quick flight. The sun up there looks pretty amazing. The lighting right now is actually pretty good for doing some drone flight. All right, well, we're starting to lose some light pretty quick. I got about a 2-hour hike back, so I am gonna pack up everything and just hightail it to get out of here because I do not want to be stuck back here in the dark. Anyways, this has been quite the adventure. Looking forward to many more. Definitely subscribe if you haven't, and we will catch you guys on the next video.